Changing your profile picture on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once in the app, tap on the profile icon or the account tab, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Profile Picture. In your profile settings, look for the option labeled Profile Picture or a camera icon next to your current picture. Tap on it to proceed to the image selection screen. Step 4. Choose a new picture. You will have the option to take a new photo or select one from your device's gallery. Choose your preferred method and select the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to finalize the update to your profile picture. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on Revolut. Enjoy your refreshed look.